get the Clarendon Tavern bar over here, and also the guys that are serving the pink fins, the chips, the hamburgers. Very, very good food. Please go down and support them. They're here to support our great sport. So go down, buy a drink, buy our food, because I'm sure we'll be here for a little while yet. And don't forget, heading around this afternoon, we've got that arm curling contest. Troy, you're going to enter it. There's a great prize. We've got an arm curler battery from High Tech. We've got the next boat coming around the turn. It looks like it's a hell boat. Hell bet.
Super Slate.
Super Slate. It is Super Slate.
Carlton Dry.
Carlton Dry?
Isn't that what they call it now?
Oh, it's hard to tell. It's one of them Speedmaster boats. It's either Super Slack or Carlton Dry Racing. Super Slack. Boat number 35. They've had a great year.
Cyclone Racing 2.
Cyclone Racing 2, the first outboard, ladies and gentlemen. Get down near the back and have a listen to this thing come across the line. The 21-foot Cyclone, 2.5 litre Mercury outboards on the back. They've had a great run. Pete Randall in the boat. They're absolutely screaming across the line. Boat number 28.